Okay, this video here is about how to 18 boot Peppermint OS with Windows 10 plus 16 other GNU/Linux distros. First, we're gonna create a folder on the downloads folder with a folder with the name Peppermint OS. So what we're gonna do, going to the Peppermint OS.com here, and you have some information about the operating system here. After the installation of the OS, I will have a video just to introduction to the operating system. I will talk about the social media, the forum, questions that you might have. Okay, so let's take a look on the website here. So anyway, we're gonna click here. You can shop here. I believe you can buy the USB or DVD disc from the Peppermint shop here. But anyway, I'm going to show how you download, and I suggest that you use the torrent option here, and also you help donate to the project. So what we're going to do here, we're going to use the torrent option here. That's the recommended way to download any software over the internet. Not only software, but video file, any big files. Use that. So we're gonna use Qubit torrent to download the ISO. So we're gonna save it to downloads Peppermint OS. Folder. Click OK. Okay, so it's going to be 1.39 gigabyte. Download faster at 5.6 megabits per second. So it's going to be done in a couple minutes. So also we're going to download, we're going to verify the ISO using the software here. But before we need to finish downloading the ISO. So we're going to download the ISO. We're going to download the ISO. When it's downloaded, I will show how to verify it. Okay, now that the download's completed, I'm gonna exit. I will leave sitting in the overnight. This Peppermint 9 download. Okay, Peppermint 9. So I'll leave sitting overnight. Sitting. Okay, so what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna verify the ISO. To verify the ISO, we're gonna use the software here. It's gonna be SHA-256. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna copy this here. This is 64-bit. This is the SHA-256 here. Okay, here. I'm gonna copy this and we're going to use the software here. I'm going to use the software here to verify. So click browse here, go to Peppermint, select the ISO. I'm going to pause until finish verifying. As you can see, it's finished. So what I'm going to do here on the hash here, you paste, and we're going to click on verify, and then we have to give this message here, SHA-256 hash match. Can close this. Just want to leave this like this, and then I'm going to close this. We're going to use Rufus to create the live USB. I'm going to close this. Rufus is 100% reliable to create a live USB. It's one of the best live USB maker. It works with the GNU/Linux distros, with Windows 10, Windows 8, 7. So real nice software. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna select. Give the option here. I believe I'm gonna have to use different software. Okay, I have to see if this OS supports. Okay, it supports BIOS and UEFI. So that's good. So that's the option you're gonna select. Because you're gonna be able to install in legacy BIOS, like the old computers. Also, you're going to be able to install on new computers with UEFI BIOS, UEFI firmware settings. So you just have to go click Start, click OK, OK. Minimize this. I'm going to pause until it's finished. Okay, now that the process is done, click close here. On the folder inside of the USB flash drive, it says Peppermint here. The D drive is, you have to see the EFI folder here. That means you can install in UEFI mode. Close this, and then we're gonna restart the computer. Click restart, and on my computer I have to press F12 to get to the boot menu. When you see the black screen, that's when you start to press the F12. On your computer might be a different key. You have to see the user manual. You can search on the internet with the computer brand. So you press the key to get to the boot menu, and then you select USB. In this case, I'm using the same disk. Click enter. And then we're going to do here, try Peppermint without installing. It's good for you to know that your hardware works with the operating system before you do the installation. I know 99.9% of all GNU/Linux works with my hardware, so everything works out of the box. But you should try it. Check to see if you can get to the internet. Try to watch a video on YouTube, and that's how you test the internet, test everything. Then you will be able to start it. See, already detect my Wi-Fi connection here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go straight to the install Peppermint. After the installation, I will have a video with the introduction to the Peppermint. I'm going to get all the information about the operating system, and also I will have different videos showing how to customize, how to install software, and everything. So select your language here, click continue. Peppermint is based on Debian/Ubuntu. It uses the, I'm not going to connect it to the internet, so I'm going to click continue here. It's based on Debian/Ubuntu. Use the, I'm going to use normal installation here. Click continue. It's based on, the installer here is called, I don't know how to pronounce it right, Ubiquiti. Installer this from Ubuntu. I found a bug with my, I believe it is with my computer. The UEFI, you cannot, what I see here, after every time when I install a new operating system, when I multiboot, the operating system is not automatically added. The boot manager is not automatically added to the UEFI firmware settings, so I have to manually add the operating system. So I'm testing all the Debian/Ubuntu distros and see if the problem is with the Ubuntu operating system, or if the problem is with the UEFI firmware. I think the problem is with the UEFI firmware, but I will make up to 40 videos about the Multiboot. So I will install. I will install all the Debian/Ubuntu based distros, and then I will install Arch based, Fedora based, OpenSUSE based, and I might install Slackware. So I have to see when I get around 30. I'm going to install Android x86. I'm going to install Phoenix OS. So I will see if I'm going to be able to install OpenIndiana and TrueOS. I will see. I want to let you install it in the end of the, when I have almost all the software, all the operating systems installed. That's when I'm going to try to install it. So right now it's going to be just Debian/Ubuntu. I found a bug with I had 55 operating systems installed in the last time, and I found a bug with Debian/Ubuntu installer. You cannot install after a certain number of partitions. So I'm going to pause the video here to make the installation go faster. Okay, you're going to select here something else, click continue, So whenever I have the UEFI partition, whenever I have the swap partition, we're going to create another partition. Select the free space, double click, and we're going to use 20 gigabyte, which is going to be 20. It's going to be 2480. That's 20 gigabyte. And we're going to select the mount point here. I'm going to use ext4 file system. Click OK. Okay, now you have to pay attention here. It's going to be partition number SDA21. At the mount point, it's going to format the partition. I think there is a bug on the system. When I do the installation here, it's going to show Ubuntu. So I'm going to see if it's going to show Peppermint, but I believe it's going to show Ubuntu on dev SDA21. So dev SDA21 is going to be Peppermint. But if the GNU group shows Ubuntu, that's because this is based on Ubuntu. So click install now. I'm going to use the swap partition here. Click continue. Select your time zone where you live. Click continue. The computer here can be PC1 or PC2, whatever name you want to use. I'm going to create my username and password here. So I'm going to pause the video until we finish the installation. Okay, this part here, running update grub, it really doesn't add the OS to the GNU grub. So I will show this when I reboot the computer. Okay, the download is finished. Oh, the installation is finished. So we're going to restart now. And I'm almost 100% sure that it's not going to show the Peppermint on the boot menu. This is the flash drive. Like I said, there is no Peppermint here. Like I said, the dev SDA20 here, that's the Voyager GNU/Linux. This is the Ubuntu. So to fix this, you can do, I'm going to boot the first OS in the line here, which is Bunsen Labs. I'm going to boot Bunsen Labs. So move into Bunsen Labs. And I just have to run the sudo upgrade grub, and automatically gonna add it's gonna show like Ubuntu, but it's going to be Peppermint. So sudo update grub. That's what you have to run. It's going to take a few minutes. It's going to take around 7-8 minutes until I got the results there. So I'm gonna pause the video until I got until we finish the probing the updating the GNU Grub. Okay, I was wrong. So you can see the name Peppermint 9 there. So when I boot, I have my notepad here that I have all the operators that I have installed. So on the GNU Group now it's gonna show Peppermint 9. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna reboot. We'll reboot the computer and select Peppermint OS. As you can see, Peppermint OS that's Peppermint OS there. You have to just press enter. I'm gonna go to Peppermint OS. Okay, so I'm going to log into the system. That's Peppermint OS. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a video right inside of the OS. So I'm going to reboot. I'm going to boot to Windows. I'm going to boot to Windows. And I'm going to end this video here. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share. We need to share the knowledge. Share, give a like if you like the video, and if you have questions, if I can answer, please put on the comments below. My next video is going to be Multiboot number 19, and I'm gonna see which operating system that I'm gonna use. So that's it for now. Just gonna boot to another OS now. Actually, I'm gonna boot to Windows. I'm gonna make another video. So my next video I have to see which OS I'm going to install. So that's it for now, and I hope you like this video.